Hey, welcome back to PickSnap. If you spend any real time in your car, this list was made for you. 16 car gadgets. Some will make your drives cleaner, smarter, and safer. A few will make your car look like it cost twice what you paid for it. Every single one is on Amazon. Every single one is linked below. Let's get into it. If your phone mount shakes on bumps, droops in heat, or the charging cable keeps falling out, you've been using the wrong one. The Acme Zing has 22 N55 neodymium magnets and supports up to 15W wireless fast charging. Your phone snaps on in 1 second and stays locked in. The arm is aerospace-grade memory aluminum alloy. 360-degree flexible, holds any position, survives thousands of bends without losing shape. The base uses automotive-grade 3M adhesive rated at over 55 pounds of bonding strength and is designed to handle extreme hot and cold temperatures inside the car. 2 adhesive pads included, one for your car, one for home. Works with MagSafe-compatible iPhones including iPhone 12 and newer. Non-MagSafe phones supported with the included metal ring. Every time you look down at your dashboard, your eyes leave the road for a moment. The Huawei head projects your speed and live driving data directly onto your windshield. Dual GPS and BDS chip picks up to 32 satellite signals. 10 Hz refresh rate, so what you see is accurate, not delayed. Large font display with metal shading technology helps reduce reflections and stays visible even with sunglasses on. Auto brightness adjusts for day and night. Built-in overspeed alert flashes and sounds when you exceed your preset limit. Plug and play off your USB port. Fits any car. No installation, no wiring. One of the cheapest safety upgrades on this entire list. No Bluetooth in your car? This is the fix, and it takes 30 seconds. The Scosche BT FM9 plugs into your 12-volt socket, pairs with your phone, and plays your music, podcasts, and calls through your existing car speakers. No aux cable, no installation. Hands-free calling built in. Siri and Google Assistant compatible. 2 charging ports on the side, USB-C and USB-A, 12 watts each, so your phone charges at the same time. 3-year limited warranty from Scosche. Said it once, never think about it again. Every time you back out, change lanes, or park on a busy street, your driver's side mirror is doing more work than you realize. And when it's damaged, you feel it on every single drive. This A-Premium mirror is a direct OEM-grade replacement for Honda's CR-V 2017 to 2022. Powered adjustment, manual folding, heated glass, built-in turn signal indicator, and blind spot detection. Every feature of your original mirror, brand new. Black paint-to-match finish, manufactured and tested to high-quality standards. Comes with a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Direct bolt-on fit, no modifications needed. This one is for anyone who wants their car looking properly clean without spending a weekend on it. Shine Armor Quick Coat 3-in-1 is a car wax, waterless wash, and ceramic spray coating in a single bottle. Spray it on, wipe it off. Full application takes just a few minutes. No rinsing, no buffeting, no separate products. The formula adds a hydrophobic protective layer that helps repel water and dirt while keeping your car looking cleaner for longer. UV resistant and safe for multiple surfaces. Works on paint, glass, chrome, plastic trim, and vinyl. Made in the USA. Over 83,000 verified reviews. 1 bottle replaces 3. Most people park in the same garage every single day and still manage to creep too far forward every time. The STKRR garage parking sensor fixes that permanently. Ultrasonic sensor detects your car and signals green, yellow, and red so you know exactly when to stop. Adjustable stop zone from 6 inches to 6 feet with one-touch setup. Runs on 4 AA batteries or optional USB power. Mounts with adhesive tape or Velcro. No tools, no drilling. Backed by a 1-year warranty from STKRR Concepts. Install it once makes garage parking far more consistent. Underinflated tires cut your fuel economy, wear unevenly, and can become a serious safety issue on the highway. And most people genuinely have no idea what their tire pressure is right now. The TimeHT M2 shows live pressure and temperature for all 4 tires simultaneously on a color LCD display. 6 alarm modes, fast leak detection, high and low pressure alerts, high temperature warnings, sensor low voltage, and signal loss. 4 IP67 waterproof sensors installed directly onto your valve stems, pre-paired at the factory, no setup.
Solar charged display also supports USB, covers 0 to 87 psi, works on cars, SUVs, trucks, RVs, and trailers, covers 10 tires total. Install it once, it watches your tires from that point forward. Car, luggage, equipment, anything valuable you need to be able to locate at any time. The Land Air C54 is waterproof, magnetic, and updates your location in real time through the SilverCloud app with Google Maps integration. Location updates can be as frequent as every 3 seconds depending on settings. Historical playback up to 1 year. Motion-activated sleep mode preserves battery when nothing is moving. The internal magnet lets you hide it almost anywhere. The underside of a car, inside a bag, wherever. Lifetime warranty from a USA-based company. One thing to know up front, a monthly subscription is required. Plans start at $9.95 a month on a 2-year prepaid plan, $19.95 a month, month to month. Factor that in before ordering. If real-time tracking is what you need, this is one of the best reviewed options out there. Your car vacuum situation. Let's actually fix it.
Most people use a weak plug-in vacuum that barely does anything or canned air that goes cold in 30 seconds. Neither of those is a real solution. The Houseclee is a 4-in-1 vacuum, air duster, blower, and pump in one unit. 20,000 Pascal suction, 80,000 RPM brushless motor, under 70 decibels. Vacuum the seats and carpet, then flip it to air duster mode and blast out vents, gaps, and tight corners a nozzle can't reach. Washable HEPA filter, 0.4-liter dust cup, 6,000 mAh battery with up to 30 minutes of runtime. Charges via USB-C. Full accessory kit included. Under £1. Keep it in the car permanently. Car interiors can trap dust, odors, and airborne particles, especially in heavy traffic. The air seal sits directly in your cup holder. Uses a true H13 HEPA filter to help capture dust, harmful particles, and allergens, and includes a built-in aromatherapy diffuser so the cabin smells fresher while you drive. Carbon fiber design, silent operation, USB-powered, compact enough to leave in permanently. Built-in perfume platform lets you add your preferred oil or spray directly. If you drive in city traffic, have allergies, or just spend serious time in your car, this is one of the easiest daily improvements you can make. Sweaty back on a long summer drive. Everyone knows exactly what that feels like. The Pathinary 2026 has 8 built-in turbo cooling fans that push air directly across your back, hips, and thighs, and it starts cooling quickly after turning it on. 3 cooling levels, built-in vibration function with 5 modes for lumbar pressure relief on long drives, works independently without your car's AC, and even better when used together. 59-inch power cord, supports both 12-volt and 24-volt, universal fit with non-slip ergonomic backing, high-end leather surface with breathable mesh, 1-year warranty. On a genuinely hot day, this stops being optional. You're parked. You need a flat surface to eat, write, or use your laptop. There isn't one. The Cute Queen hooks onto your steering wheel in seconds. No tools, no drilling. Reversible 2-in-1 design. One side is a flat tray with a built-in cup holder for meals. Flip it and you get an office-style desk surface with a pen slot for a laptop or writing. Heat-resistant ABS construction. Waterproof surface wipes clean with a damp cloth. Slim enough to store in the backseat pocket when not in use. Under $12. Solves a real problem every single time you park. Quick but important note, this is a carrying case only, not a jump starter. It's custom built for the Nextpower Q10S and T11F jump starters. Hard shell exterior, shockproof and drop resistant, splash-proof for rainy days. Custom foam interior holds your jump starter, clamps and cables perfectly in place with an elastic band. Mesh pocket inside for smaller accessories like USB cables and smart jump cables. 360-degree zipper, sturdy top handle. If you already own a Nextpower jump starter and it's rattling loose in your trunk, this is what keeps everything protected and ready when you actually need it. This one doesn't solve a practical problem. It just makes your car look more premium at night. When you open the door, an HD logo automatically projects onto the ground. Infrared sensor activates it, closing the door turns it off automatically. No wiring, no drilling. Adhesive mounts straight onto the door pin.
rechargeable, one charge lasts up to 25 days. 2 projectors included in the pack, slides are replaceable. Works best at night or in dim lighting. Available for Toyota, Honda, Ford, Hyundai, Kia, Nissan, Subaru, Audi, BMW, Chevrolet, and more. Make sure you select your exact brand when ordering. Plastic hose nozzles crack. It's never a question of if, only when. The Fanhao is built from zinc alloy with solid brass fittings for added durability. Fits all standard U.S. garden hoses at 3/4 inch GHT with no adapters needed. One-piece design with multiple internal rubber O-ring washers helps prevent leaks. 4 spray modes by rotating the head. Lock bar at the bottom keeps water flowing without constant pressure on the trigger. Rust-resistant and corrosion-resistant, backed by a 12-month guarantee. Buy it once, actually keep it. Groceries sliding around, trunk looking like a disaster after every run, most people just accept it. The Mikuppa is a 100-liter collapsible trunk organizer built from reinforced Oxford polyester with removable dividers and multiple side pockets to organize tools, groceries, cleaning supplies, or travel gear. The detachable cooler bag is leak-resistant and designed to keep food and drinks insulated while you drive. Bottom Velcro and adjustable straps help keep the organizer secure in the trunk while you drive. Folds flat when not in use. Available in gray and black. And that's video 6. 16 products, every single one linked in the description with my affiliate link. Same price for you, small cut comes back to us, and that's what keeps this channel going every week. Prices and availability can change over time, so check the links below for current details. Drop in the comments what category you want next. Workshop tools, travel gear, desk setups, truck accessories. We read everything. Hit subscribe if you want to see what we pick next. New video every week. See you in the next one.